Wagwan, it's LeekaJai. Thank you for tuning in. This segment of my channel is called Styl'inThrift Transformations, where I'll be showing you how to transform all of those old thrift finds into today's modern day wear, doing this all while still on a budget. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make this mini leopard skirt with a metal zip across the front. I'm using the bottom of this leopard dress to make the mini skirt. Since there's a slit in the bottom of the skirt and the top where I took the zip out, I will need to sew that down. So to get started, I'm placing the zip on the skirt just so I can mark the placement of the zip. I'm using a 22-inch and I bought this at Walmart. Now I'm going to mark out my waistline, which is 28 inches, and then I'm going to divide that by 2, so 14 inches. Then I'm going to mark down 6 inches from each end and mark the hips, which is the full width of the skirt. Once I've done that, I can mark the zip line, which is going to be a slant right across the skirt. Now I'm going to cut the front layer of the skirt. Now, before putting the zip on, I have to go ahead and sew the waist of the skirt. So I'm going to double fold that so that you don't see the raggedy ends. I'm going to pin that down and then I can sew it. It makes it so much easier and accurate if you pin down where you're going to sew. Now the last thing to do is to put the zip on. So first I'm going to pin the zip onto the skirt. I'm folding each end so that I don't have all the raggedy showing. I'm pinning this down closer to the metal zip so that I don't have much of the black cloth showing. This is very helpful so that when I'm ready to sew it down with the machine, I don't have something misplaced. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Once I've sewn the zip on, then the skirt is ready to wear. If you liked today's tutorial, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.